Sac Passe. My name is Captain Haiti, and I'm so excited to invite you to join your voice to mine and sing along with Ayiti.
Let's sing along with Ayiti. To heal all the wrongs to Ayiti. Let's bring along with Ayiti. To feel as strong as Ayiti.
Alright, right now I'm with the team of Horizon Vert that are bringing produce from Haiti that I'm going to ship directly to your doorstep. So these guys have been working with Haitian farmers for years. How many containers you brought from Haiti last year? 28. 28 containers. So it has been done before. The goal is to fill up this warehouse with Haitian produce from Haiti. We will sort the products and send them directly to your doorstep. My challenge is to invite 200 voices to come in studio and make that sound so loud that the world will hear about all the resources and all the minerals that Haiti has to offer. Come record your voice with me, Tony Chow, at WHEU Studio, and let's sing along with Ayiti.